Hi everyone, A2 Wonders here. In this video, Adam and I were both super tired after our long journey. If you want to see what the Coron port looks like when you arrive, you're in the right place. Even though we were exhausted, we were pleasantly surprised by the room
Oh, you
Adam
saw it
booked through
already.
Look. It was the perfect place to rest after the ferry ride. Stay tuned as we share our ferry experience from Occidental Mindoro to Coron, what the journey was really like, our first impression of Coron, and everything that happened along the way. Trust us, you won't want to miss it.
Ang tagal.
Means it's taking too long or it's taking too long. We're on a ferry from Mindoro, from San Jose to Coron. I'll do a quick view here of everything. Right. This is our new buddy Ray. I was trying to check real quick to see if he's okay being on camera. I'm trying to be. Our new YouTube channel. And Ray is from the USA also. And that's about it. I won't show you around the ferry, but we're on this bunk here. You gotta be careful not to go overboard here, of course. There's a bunk below. I made a new friend. His name's Ray, and he's also from the USA. Let me pan to Ray here. It's my buddy Ray. Might have to hang out with him some in Coron while we're there. But yeah, the crossing should take maybe 6 hours, give or take. Not sure. Nice breeze right now. We're not in aircon, of course, but it's not too hot. Humidity's better now that we've gotten out to the sea. I'll just spin you around again here. So it looks like we're about to arrive in Coron. Crossing time is already at 6 hours and 20 minutes and counting, but it looks like we'll be arriving shortly.
So, why did we end up taking a ferry to Coron, Palawan? Before this trip, we spent a few days in Oriental Mindoro, enjoying some quality time with my family. If you'd like to watch that vlog first, I'd like to link it in the card above. After that, we stayed one night in San Jose, Occidental Mindoro, before our ferry trip to Coron. We booked our ferry ticket through Bunso Travel. At the time of our trip, they were the only ferry operator offering trips between San Jose, Occidental Mindoro, and Coron, and vice versa. I also put their contact details and the latest fare rates on the screen in case you're planning the same trip. One of the reasons we choose the ferry is because it's more budget friendly than flying. Of course, it takes longer. The trip is around 6 to 7 hours, depending on the sea condition. Thankfully, God bless us with a calm sea, and we arrived safely in Coron.
So we'll be arriving soon. It looks like our total trip time was, I'm trying to think, 7 hours and 20 minutes from San Jose, Mindoro to Coron. made a new friend. His name is Ray.
Isn't it weird? No wildlife out here.
There's gonna be some, I think. I don't know what.
No wildlife, no squirrels, no rabbits, no.
What about Philippine cobra? My friend Ray here, he wants to swim with whale sharks. I don't know if they have them here. There was some. Where were they at, love? That they said we could swim with them if we went down. Was it your main Big Reach, or where was the whale sharks? One time we didn't go. We're not far from where you can go down to the coast and swim with the whale sharks. Maybe in your mail. I thought it started with an S. Do you remember? Huh? You don't remember? We'll look it up later. But they're very large. I don't know if I'd want to do that or not. We just came off Bunso Transport Ferry number 2. Oh. We're on a tricycle, in a tricycle going to the Gateway Inn or hotel. Traffic, and this is a touristy spot. Maybe somebody's turning around. We're finally moving again. Very narrow street here. sign is right down the street. Did you see that?
We're just right there in
Yeah.
Coron. So this is convenient.
Let's see. I think it's recording. Let's see. We are so hot and sweaty. It's gotten so humid. My clothes are about stuck to me. Yes. Look.
Thank you, Lord.
Can you see our
for the
faces?
safe trip.
But we made it here. We've got trips scheduled the next 3 days in Coron. We're getting ferry tickets to travel to El Nido on Saturday. And then we'll have more tours in El Nido if we can get them scheduled ahead of time. We're going to stay there for 4 nights. And then figure out where we're going from there and how we're getting home. We don't even know for sure where we're going from there. Maybe go home to rest because I'll probably be super burned up because just riding on the ferry today. Look.
Your skin is so sensitive, love.
It wasn't when I was younger. Look at that. Touch me in the room. You will get to see it as we see it. Because we haven't. Oh, wow.
I didn't.
Oh, you saw it already, didn't you?
No, I didn't expect that there's a bathtub.
I thought so. So look, we'll start in the CR. Let me take my slippers off. Let me show you this huge room we've got here. Okay, toilet, of course, and bidet, because here in the Philippines, you don't really use toilet paper, even though we have it. You need to throw it in the trash or use it. You spray your bum off. And then if you want to finish up with like wet wipes, that's perfectly fine. But you don't flush toilet paper. Look at this beautiful tub, and you can have these doors open or closed, apparently, and see into the bedroom. But we've got this huge soaking tub. Yeah.
It's open.
Yeah, or you can close it. If you want privacy and this blurred, you might see sort of a blobby image of someone naked.
Okay.
But you got this beautiful tub, huge mirror. Oh, look, it's me size. At home, we don't have one hung. I have to scrunch down to look in it. But look, any American, even 8 foot tall, could see in this mirror. And good, because I got to shave my head again. Plenty of space here.
In this room.
Huh?
You can never be wrong to book this hotel.
Yeah, look. Exactly. It's the Coron Gateway Inn, I believe.
Hotel.
Gateway Hotel. And look, all this storage space. Plenty of storage space for anything you need to put in here. You got your towels, and then you've got this walk-in shower with the glass door. Yeah, and this is a little short for me now, but this can be put up higher, and I will be doing that. And you can make it into a rainfall shower head, or you can have it stream like that. And then you got a regular faucet. So that's beautiful. Look, we got rocks in here. Little rock decor with the plant. And, okay, let's walk into the bedroom. You're seeing it as we see it because I haven't been in here yet. Let's first check out the closets here. Yeah, you got ample space and a safe right here. Let's see. Oh, babe, we got a pretty good sized fridge here. Yeah, if we need to use it. Oh, wow, this room's huge, babe.
But I'm worried about your...
You could have a connecting suite, it looks like here, but we're not going to mess with that. Another mirror, a place for Love to put her makeup on before we go on island hopping. I don't think she should do that. But yeah, this nice chair, lay your legs up. We're back into the pool. No, I mean the tub. Little blooper there. Here's the bed. Not to be weird, but if you get very wild in here, you got some padding back here for protection. And you've got a couch. Maybe pull out, I don't know, but you got this couch right here. So this is a good sized room, and if you're overlooking the street down below, there's some food services, ATMs, and everything within walking distance, really, or you can take a tricycle ride. Oh yeah, I'll find the hole here eventually. Yeah, you got a balcony out here, 2 chairs and a table if you want to eat outside. That overlooks the street down below. And down that way is the Coron sign that some people take pictures in front of. Yeah, so we've got this massive room. Let's do a spin here. Not get too dizzy. This has been the room tour. Oh, that's going to be nice. Yeah. But this has been Adam from A2 Wonders. And my better half here, Ira.
Hi everyone, I'm Ira. I got dark now.
I'm a lobster, and we haven't even begun all these days of island tours. I don't know how I'm going to survive now. Look at this.
Baby, hope you don't have a fever, huh?
I don't know what's going to happen to me. Going to turn full-blown lobster, and I haven't even barely got... We just got here.
Don't worry, there's a lot of aloe vera gel here.
Yeah, we're going to have to use a lot of it. Well, we're going to sign off for now. This has been A2 Wonders. Like, comment, and subscribe. See you later. I'm back. We're just checking out the room some more, and I am burned up. There's the balcony's right there.
I'll open this.
You got to go to the middle. It's in the middle, babe. There she is. She got lost for a minute. Look how red I am. Love just put some aloe on me. Thank God I just took Advil. Oh, we haven't got started. I am just burned up. Look here. This is how burned up I am. There's where my watch was. The best tail is where your watch was. We got a ghost in the room.
Can't.
Click up or down. There should be a little up or down thing, probably. Just open the curtain a little bit so I can see. Pull it. Right there, up or down. There should be a latch that you put in your face. There you go. Up or down. Whichever way it'll go. Down's usually locked. Up's usually open, I think. Well, this is weird. That's unlocked. God, you just got to be strong. Oh my God, it's really tight.
It's so hot here.
Well, it's hot out here, babe. I don't want to let that heat in here. It's so humid. We're going to go back out here, though, and get something to eat. Here's some karaoke down there. Yeah. Now, here, hold this while I take all the strength I got to close this door. Oh, man. There we go. Bye-bye. Completely out. Let's go this way. You good? This will be easy now.